Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Locket widget without a phone number. All right, let's jump into it. So first, open up the Locket widget app on your phone and tap on create an account to get started. Now you'll see the sign up page. Just enter your email, choose a strong password, at least 8 characters, then add your name and a username you like. When you're ready, hit continue. Next, the app will ask if you want to invite your friends. You can add them if you want, but honestly, you can just skip this by tapping continue again. Once that's done, you'll land on the main dashboard, and from here, you can start using the Locket widget right away. Now, here's something important. Depending on where you live, the sign up process might look a little different. Some regions, they require a phone number for verification, usually because of local rules. But as you can see in my case, it only asks for an email, no phone number at all. If your app still insists on adding a phone number, don't worry. There's a simple workaround. To fix this, open the Locket widget page on the Google Play Store, scroll down until you see app support, and then tap on it. From there, just email them. Explain your situation, say something like, I can't create an account because it asks for a phone number, and request their help. Keep the email short and simple and uh, use a clear subject line like Locket account creation help. After you send the email, it might take a day or two to get a reply, but usually they'll guide you through creating an account without needing a phone number. Oh, and here's a quick tip. Make sure your Locket widget app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes older versions ask for a phone number by mistake. And the update usually fixes it. And that's it. You should now be able to use the Locket widget without entering a phone number, or at least know what to do if it asks for one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial.